There's a couple of different ways to start a group text on your Android phone. One way to do this is to open an existing conversation and add more people to it. I can, for example, pull up this conversation with my buddy Ryan, and if I tap the three dots in the top right corner, I can use the option on the very top to add more people. Then you'd either put in a phone number or add someone from your contacts list here. I'll add Amy, and I have the option to give this group a name. One thing to note is that features like group names, type indicators, and high-quality media are available if every participant has the modern RCS messaging protocol enabled on their phones. If someone on your group is using the older MMS-based messaging, group names and other RCS-related features won't work. Also, both iPhone and Android users can be added. I can see a message here saying this group is using MMS, so one of my group members probably won't see the group name correctly. But sending and receiving messages will work just fine. If I go back to the main page in my Messages app, you'll see how this group is separate from my conversation with Ryan. That means the new group member will not see our previous messages. The group was created from scratch as a separate, standalone conversation. You could also create a group directly from this page. Just tap the New Conversation button in the bottom right corner and then choose Create Group. Then I can type in phone numbers or choose participants from my contacts. After that, it's the same steps again. Give a group name if you'd like and your group is ready. And that's group text on Android. Click the like button if this helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this.